Thank you so much for participating enthusiastically in this video series of Indian Design League. We help aspiring entrepreneurs and experts to understand how they can become high-performance influencers, learn the art of positioning, packaging, and promoting their products and services so that they can build a successful and sustainable business, grow their income, and have more freedom. See, you just made so much progress by registering and actually being here. Many of us are still stuck in our comfort zone, where we lie to ourselves by saying we don't have time or money to start something new, or we don't really know the path to succeed in this challenging period of pandemic and economic crisis. So many of us are just watching our lives pass. But you need to take complete ownership, accountability, and responsibility for your lifestyle and career goals. You need to get into the driver's seat. You have decided to take a step forward in your growth, and we just want you to own that. We want you to congratulate yourself and recognize what a huge step you have taken. This congratulation is also important because we easily forget our learnings and how far we have come. And this is exactly that. You are committed towards your growth, career development, and most importantly, you have committed to self-love by showing yourself that this is important. Whenever you start something new, there are so many forces that will act as distractions. There's the stuff you could do, the stuff you want to do, and the stuff you have to do. The stuff you have to do is where you should begin. Start at the focal point. For example, if you are opening a food truck, you could worry about the truck, the name, the decoration. But the first thing you should worry about is the food. The food is the focal point. Everything else is secondary. All you need to do is find the epicenter. Ask yourself this question: if I took this away, would what I am selling still exist? A food truck isn't a food truck without the food. You can take away a substance such as salt, mustard, or pickle that is used to add flavor to your food. Some people might not like your food, but still you do have the food. But you simply cannot have a food truck without any food. So figure out your focal point. Which part of your equation can't be removed? If you can continue to get by without this thing or that thing, then those aren't the focal point. When you find it, you will know, because everything depends on this foundation. If this is how experts think, we are often asked, then what is it that they do? What do they excel at? And what do they consistently practice? A few years ago, Amit, founder and chairman of Indian Design League, attended a 7-day special training called Train the Trainer program in Gujarat. And it was the second last day of the completion of the workshop training. And there was another co-learner and participant named Gopal. Gopal wanted to start his own training services and academy at Amravati, the second largest city in Vidarbha region. He wanted to become a highly effective and empowering trainer and a life coach. So there was this one documentary that trainer showed us during the workshop, and it was about this trainer's academy and firm. Gopal was very impressed with the documentary and requested the trainer to guide him to make a documentary of his own training organization. Amit expected the trainer to share a framework or a process, but surprisingly, the trainer did not give any significant amount of information. He advised that Gopal should go to Mumbai, hire a content writer, ask the content writer to get some content ready for his documentary, hire a studio, and get the documentary shot and completed. How can he help him more in this? He simply can't. As an educationalist and entrepreneur himself, Amit thought, if Gopal actually knew how to get this all done, why would he attend the 7 days program in the first place? Amit was not only surprised by this behavior but also disappointed with the ignorance and the answer of the trainer. And the look on the face of Gopal spoke for itself. He seemed to be disappointed and in despair. Amit got up and left the seminar thinking, the art of pitching is going to be a dominant communication mode for experts and entrepreneurs in the future. But as of creating this video on the art of pitching, many experts or clients, even today for marketing and selling, do not use an effective mode of communication. Although it has proved to be more comprehensive and lucrative for the industry. Why? This is because few experts look at the horizon of our industry and ask what new skills will they need to develop to stay relevant, connected, and effective. Many experts believe the art of pitching is like understanding how to influence the other person to buy into his idea or product or service offering that is critical for the business. But he can simply hire a consultant and get his business started and rolling. With due respect to all the consultants and their profession, our only question to them would be, if a consultant knew how to start, run and grow a business successfully and profitably, wouldn't he have done it already for himself? Why will he do that job? Think about it. With IDL, the art of pitching approach is different. IDL knows that it is important to make entrepreneurs understand the importance of 8 components of pitching and marketing. It will be important for your long-term success in the industry. Learning the art of pitching thoroughly and from the heart is the mantra that will help you with your income, creating a huge impact. And no, you don't have to communicate precisely proper or sound like a scammy info marketer either. Look, you are on the planet for a reason. Your creativity matters. And being able to influence the other person is one of the most important skills you can learn, especially when you want to share your ideas, services, and creation. To gain competency and confidence, we need to get training, get practice, and put our energy on where our heart wants to be. Do the necessary work and you will become a better influencer faster. Guaranteed. Best part is that you don't need to figure out this on your own, and you can influence the other person in a way that's powerful, persuasive, and 100% you. Here, you don't need to impress anyone. You need to understand the importance of identifying the focal point, the skill set that will be key to your long-term success and to help you consistently and diligently develop that skill set. The art of pitching and influencing our clients and students. This is really important for your career. We have applied the same to other skill areas that are important to us and our students' long-term success. Heed our words. If something is important for your long-term success, don't outsource it. Master it. Your success is powered by your skill set. In our industry, everyone should learn influencing or persuading skills, specifically the art of pitching, speaking, and persuasion. In this video, with the art of pitching, you will be able to hone your influencing skills and sell anything. By taking action, struggling through figuring it out, asking lots of questions, and persisting, you suddenly have mastery. And yes, if you have any doubts after watching this video, just send us an email on support@indiandesignleague.com and we will be happy to help. We can't just wait to help you share your creativity with the world. First component of the art of pitching, style statement. Here's who I am and what I do. If you are working on making a documentary or creating your website, maybe your sales presentation or your corporate presentation that you would use to pitch in for your company to attract investors, what message would you like to send across? What are your marketing messages and the content behind much of this stuff? At a conceptual level, think about what are the messages in every single marketing message. There are 8 components that we want to share with you now. It comes down to the 8 components of marketing. What do you always see in a marketing message? You are going to do a marketing presentation as an example, or you are going to do a long sales letter. You are marketing something for sale. What are the 8 components that go into every single sale? This will not just help you craft your sales presentation or add value videos or product or service offering, but will also help in your sales pitch. This can also be used in your emailers that will be of great help for your email marketing strategies. The first component in composing a best marketing message is something that people often forget about: style statement, the elevator pitch. What is your USP? What's your claim to fame, you might think? Style statement might be: here's who I am and what I do. We did talk about this in the last video, a framework that works wonders. Do check out that video too. I help X do or understand Y so that Z. That's a style statement, right? It's telling the user what they are going to get. One of our brilliant student style statement is: I'm Harshada, a professional fashion designer, and I help teenagers and youth to feel good about themselves with the help of power dressing and styling so that they can face the world confidently and look fashionable. Another one: Hi, I'm Amit, founder and chairman Indian Design League, wherein we help fashion designers, interior designers, event managers and aspiring entrepreneurs and experts to understand how they can become a high-performance influencer, learn the art of positioning, packaging and promoting their products and services online so that they can live the lifestyle that they always wanted to live. A style statement can be something you have accomplished, followed by how can you help them. It's the style statement about what your product is offering or about what your service can do for your client and customer. Maybe it's tied to finances. Maybe it's tied to just life change. But your goal is to make a big, bold claim that makes them go, wow. If you want an example, check out IDL. You will see all our videos in a framework. Some same format, some different. We are Indian Design League, wherein we help experts and entrepreneurs to turn their specialized knowledge, talents and abilities into a career and business that works specifically for them so that they can live a lifestyle that they want and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom and a career for life. This is a style statement. Always start your marketing message with a style statement. Make it bold, make it strong, make it based on what you have achieved or what your audience wants to achieve or can achieve. That's the style statement. Second component of the art of pitching: problems. Have you ever faced any of these challenges? If you are in a sales presentation, you might share your big style statement. Then talk about the common problems and challenges that your viewer or your potential customer, your prospect, has in accomplishing this. The problems, the challenges that they face to accomplish their goals or targets. This is important because without solutions to issue, no one will be excited. Marketing comes down to 2 things. What's the problem? What's the solution? You might have a lot of questions. When we are marketing our Indian Design League program, we talk about, well, here's how hard it is to become an expert and start your own brand or business. What should you be doing in your personal career and business to reach and impact more people? How do you build your career and brand in these challenging times? How do you earn more, serve more, inspire more? Do you want your dreams to be converted to reality, but you don't know how to go about it? You do have a brilliant idea, but you don't do anything about it. As an expert, you want to learn how to create, sell and serve. You need to figure out what to put up on the website and how to create a website that sells. How to create your unique products and service offerings, to serve people, to build your following, to build your sales, to build your business, and to build your career. We will talk about the things that we are going to teach you, and you are obviously must as the challenges, the obstacles, the problems you must overcome to succeed. That's what we need to cover in all our presentations and pitches. That's what makes an impactful and highly effective pitch, what we here at Indian Design League call as the art of pitching. We will discuss the 8 must-have components that will help you in marketing, sales and delivery mastery, because this is important. You can change the order of this. That's not the challenge. The challenge is there is something missing even from an expert. They are missing a good description of the problems their audience are going to have to accomplish whatever they are trying to accomplish. Your problems should be very focused and very intelligently placed as you start marketing. What are the problems your customers are facing in life? How much are those problems costing them? What is preventing them from moving ahead? What will happen if their problems aren't solved? These questions should be addressed to create rapport with your prospects. Show them that you understand their world and their problems. Draw attention to how bad it really is and how bad it will continue getting if something doesn't change immediately. The art of pitching is actually a combination of art and science, and of illuminating other people's problem and inspiring them to commit to your solution. As cold and horrible as that might sound, it's true. Great promotions always make you realize there's something missing in your life, and that you can have and should have more. Your job as a marketer of your message is to show people the need for what you are selling, throw some light on their challenges, and then give them the solution to these challenges. But you must never portray yourself as someone who has never had to face those challenges yourself, which is why we need the next element. The third piece that you want to have as a marketer is commonality. This is about the commonality that we all have in accomplishing whatever we are going after. Commonality is through which you can paint a picture of who you are. How I am just like you. How you are just like your customers. In ITL also, we show the struggle story of our mentors. This is about how you share how you have been on a common path with those you are seeking to impact and serve. I know how hard it is. I struggled with that just like you are struggling, and I figured out a way through. I broke through, but I'm just like you. Founder and chairman of Indian Design League, Amit, started the same way. He often says, if you haven't been through it, they won't listen to it. This is a very simple statement, but reminds us about his struggle story and tell us that people will listen to people who they can relate to. Most common mistake that new experts do is that they have 100% perfect marketing message. It sounds too perfect and too successful to be believable. They forget what a great educator, Booker T. Washington, once said. Success is to be measured not so much by the position that one has reached in life, as by the obstacles which he has overcome. People will relate more with your struggle rather than your success. So share with them the challenges you faced and how you overcame them, and how they can do the same. Also share how you and the prospect have a common and successful future. Say something like, I understand where you are. I have been there. We are in this together and I'm here to help you. We are going places, you and me. Your common story and journey to overcome challenges creates remarkably powerful rapport. You have to share why you have a story similar to your prospect. It's really important. People miss this all the time. If you just go there and make some big claims and say you're going to overcome all these problems and challenges, but if you don't talk about yourself on a human level, about how you have struggled too, you won't be able to connect. All the top experts hinge their entire career on making themselves have commonality with their audience, on building rapport. You need to do that on your marketing messages as well. Once a repo is built with your prospects, the next step comes to show why you are the person to help them get ahead. Fourth component of the art of pitching, credibility. Here's me and my students' results. The fourth key component in the art of pitching is, of course, credibility. Why are you credible enough so that your clients and customers should listen to you or buy from you? Why are you qualified to help your customers overcome their challenges and improve their life, result, or situation? This is not the time to brag about every little thing you've done in life, nor is it a place to brag about your resume or richness. This is where you say, in effect, I have traveled the road you are on today. I have already reached the destination and I'm here to shorten your learning curve and your path to success. I have done it and I have helped others do it. And here's the proof. Next, you show proof that you are credible by highlighting your accomplishments as well as the achievements of others who have succeeded because of your advice or solution. Just like we as an academy talk about the 14,000 plus students who in this industry have been successfully placed and growing strong. We speak about our technical collaboration with City of Oxford College, UK, offering students an international diploma by studying online right here in India. We boast about our technical collaborations with Savitribai Phule Pune University SPPU and Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University YCMOU, offering degree programs to our students from these reputed universities which are recognized by University Grants Commission UGC. Our institutional affiliation are with the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants ACCA, UK and National Stock Exchange NSE, and then we also share about we being an authorized training partner for Autodesk, an American multinational software corporation. And last but not the least, we also speak about how we have won numerous prestigious national and international level awards. As we all know, good work never goes out of sight. A lot of media, both print and TV, have also covered about us till date. This is how we share our results and achievements, why we are credible, and why you should listen to us. There can be a difference in your and our results, but that's not what's important. Many of our students ask us, what if we are just starting out and don't have enough credibility yet to speak about ourselves? What do we do then? At IDL, we'd advise that although you're not a result expert, but you can be research expert. This is very important for you to understand. And you will be thankful to us for life for sharing this valuable piece of advice with you. Have you read the famous book by Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich? If not, you must read it. And the reason I'm saying this is something you will get to know in the upcoming videos. You have to become a research expert. How do you do that? Choose a topic that people find valuable, research it, interview others, synthesize what you learn, and then offer your findings for sale so others can learn and improve their lives. When you understand this point, a whole world of options open up for you. With enough research, you can become an expert on any topic in the world and gain credibility. We find that idea free because you can actually choose what topic you want to help others with and then go out and master it. Second, never forget that experts are students first and that you can do research on any topic and become an expert in that area. Starting now. Our founder and chairman Amit learned the value of this point by accident. While he was running his training academy, his little sister, whom he adores with all his heart, was facing relationship issues. She was engaged and her relationship with her fiancé started falling apart. Because she and him are so close, she came to him for advice. This would seem silly given that Amit was not a marriage counselor or a relationship expert, at least not at the level of being a relationship coach. There's a hidden message here. People ask advice to those they trust. Amit certainly was not a relationship expert, but he desperately wanted to help his little sister. So what did he do? He did the same he does every time someone asks him for help. He became a researcher. He can vividly recall the day his little sister asked him for help and how horribly bumbling he was in giving her any decent advice. Under frustration, he went to a bookstore, spent 6 hours reading everything he could on relationships. He left the store with a pad full of notes and a lot of dozens of books on the topic. The next time his sister asked for advice, boy, did she get an earful. Then something interesting happened, like buying a red car and then suddenly seeing red cars everywhere. He started hearing everyone talk about their relationship problems. He would share what he knew with them, and suddenly he became an expert on relationships on the campus of his training academy. Once, he helped a student who was facing some relationship issue, and a week later, she asked him to speak to the entire group of friends who were staying with her at her hostel on the topic. They are now a great self-help group together. These experiences taught us about the another type of expert, the research expert. Do you know that you don't need to have ever done something to be considered an expert in it? You don't have to be a result expert. This seems an outlandish claim, but have you ever seen an accommodation on television being interviewed about business? They aren't even in business and they may never have practiced business principles. But because they studied business closely enough and knew about best practices in business, they were considered experts. Just as Amit became an expert on relationships by doing research at his end and gaining knowledge, similarly you can be seen as an expert on any given topic without necessarily having achieved any results in that area. Because people find this illogical and offensive, so we have created a rock-solid set of questions that changes people's perspective very quickly. Here they are. If you were about to invest in real estate, would you take advice from someone who had never owned a home or a commercial property? Most people reply absolutely not. But then we ask, but what if that person who had never owned a property had interviewed in detail the top 30 billionaire real estate investors in the world and distilled all their lessons into a 7-step system? Would you listen then? Of course, perspective changes. If someone has researched a given topic and broken it down for us, we will listen and we will pay for their guidance. People always think that our founder and chairman ideal, Amit, got ahead because of his results. He got more ahead because of his story of how he started all this, and he maintained it, and he motivated himself, and he remained determined and never gave up, even when he continuously faced challenges. That's what they are going to relate with you, but you have to share your credibility. Credibility in any expert space basically hinges on 2 strong pillars. First, that you are not a research expert, you are sharing something that you have achieved, and second, that you sure are a research expert. You have researched on what everybody else is doing. You know what the best practices are. You know what the industry is, and you shared the best practices. And now get ready for the best part. Once you become a research expert, and then by applying and sharing the information and knowledge with enough number of people and clients, you shall soon gain the results you were after, and in the process also become a results expert. With this, you get a lot of achievements and stories to share. After 14 years of hard work, of training and inspiring teenagers and youth to become highly paid experts and achieve name, fame and money, this is a big learning that Amit is wholeheartedly excited to share. Credibility is a big chunk of marketing. The 8 components of marketing are still on the next video. We will continue with the second part of the art of pitching, in which the next 4 important components will be addressed. Till then, remember that you are on the path to become a high-performance influencer and achieving peace of mind, financial freedom and a career for life. So until next time, believe in your idea and keep brainstorming new ideas. Stay tuned with Indian Design League. Happy learning!